Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate.
Tate. Are you free or are you not free?
Be free.
You know? I don't know what's happening with Andrew Tate. The last time we had a conversation about here on Andrew Tate was that he was free to roam the EU.
And?
They made an announcement. Do you know what's going on?
No.
It's amazing. Before we do that, again, we're going to get back to PBD, what he had to say about the Tates.
Oh.
Here's what PBD had to say about the Tates.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll go back to what the Romanian courts had to say about the Tates. Here's what PBD had to say about Andrew and Tristan Tate. Go ahead. Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate as well.
Another master troll and maybe one of the best pokers in the world. He knows how to poke and poke and poke and poke and to get a reaction and then poke some more. Relentless. Yeah, I mean, those two together as brothers, they're fun to watch.
So, you know what happens when you poke and poke and poke and poke? You're going to piss somebody off.
Yeah, you know about that.
And well, Andrew Tate poked the wrong bear because he was recently allowed to leave Romania and travel around the EU, but then Andrew Tate is now banned from leaving Romania after the court overturns the ruling.
That was fast.
So what happened?
Yeah.
We saw the video that he did last time about when he got the news about being free to roam the EU. I think we have that video. He basically poked the bear. He said, listen, hey, they don't know who I is. I'm big time, top G. Anyway, play that clip because some people in Romania probably saw this clip and they said, no, not so fast, Mr. Tate. I was rooting for you, Tate. You poked the wrong bear, though, because now apparently he can't leave Romania. This was that video just to kind of foreshadow what what happened before we play the next video. Go ahead, 1.25.
Tried to punish me with the process, but now my judge has decided after 3 years I'm allowed to leave Romania. So, do we take the SF90 to Italy? Do we take the MC20 to Cannes? Do we take the 812 competition to Paris? Where do I go? I can go anywhere I want. Perhaps I should do a daddy tour.
Ollie, turn this volume.
You know, it's like divine intervention. It's kind of crazy. Every other crypto coin tanks. Daddy is the only one
Keep going.
that survives. Now I'm free to do a tour around the world. A daddy tour. Tokyo, Dubai, Miami, Geneva, London. I might do it all by car. You ever driven to Tokyo? No, you're a pussy. I'm built different. Built different. Bruv! Which of my bitches am I gonna see? I've got so much work to do. So I'm gonna pack a bag. I'm gonna plan a daddy tour. I'm gonna plan the release of the Real World White Paper. The release of the podcast with that little fucking crypto dork's gonna come out. I'm gonna get in one of my cars. I'm gonna drive to the Italian Alps. I'm gonna get bitch 1, 2, and 3. Bruv! Built different.
No doubt he's built different. He's an absolute savage, he's an absolute beast, absolute monster. But did he poke the wrong bear? Because that news just came out. Show that headline again if you can. Show that article. Show that.
It's good, Ali.
Basically, they said, no, not so fast. Ali, you got the article?
Yeah, it's good. They did it.
They overturned the ruling, and then he left the courthouse. We're going to show you a video right now of what Tate had to say. Tate had to react to basically saying, yeah, not so fast. You can't leave Romania after being free to travel. Let's show that clip of what not only Andrew, but Tristan had to say at the courthouse. Go ahead. No. Pause. It starts at 13.
13?
Yeah. Hit play.
I get free, I get free. If I stay home, I stay home. I'm happy. I'm not emotionally involved in any of this process. I'm going to follow the law. I'm going to respect the Romanian judicial system. Whatever they decide, I will do. If they decide for me to stay home, I'll stay home. If they decide for me to go to jail, I'll go to jail. If they let me free, that would be nice. I have work to do. But it's not up to me, so I'm living with a pure heart. I don't go into anything with expectations. It is what it is.
Let's say they leave you, they let you leave today. What's the first country you're going to?
I'll probably stay here. I don't know, go brash off. I don't know. I have a lot of work to catch up on. It's been 3 years. I'm a very desired man. I have millions and millions of dollars waiting for me to collect all around the world. So I'll probably sit and stay here for a while and see what will be a prudent trip for me to take, but I'll just get straight to work. There's no time for fun in my life. I've got work to do. We'll see if they allow me to leave. If they don't, then I'm going to enjoy staying at home with my brother. My life is fantastic.
So You were on beach, please, on the stage, and it's a scandal now
There's no
because
scandal.
of the drugs.
Oh, that's scandal.
Yes.
I don't do drugs. I'm permanently anti-drugs. I think that if you're going to be the kind of person who takes drugs, that's fine. It's your personal decision, but I think you should respect the law.
So he said he's got a lot of work to do. He's going to stay home. We don't know what's going on with that. He probably poked the wrong bear. They reversed the decision. Now, Tristan actually had some words to say. I think that starts at 2:44. Yes, Tristan Tate. What are your thoughts on what's going on here? Let's play there. Go ahead.
No, you've misunderstood. I don't want to leave Romania. I'm a man who's never committed any crime in my life. I would like the ability to leave Romania on vacation if I want to. The fact that I'm told I cannot travel as a man who is falsely accused and abused by the system offends me. Do I want to leave Romania? My daughter's Romanian, my house is here. Do you still have $20 million of my stuff that I'm maybe never going to see again? You know, why would I leave Romania? I'm fighting for my right to travel freely. If I told you you can't eat at restaurants for 1.5 years, you'd be annoyed. Maybe you don't want to eat at restaurants that much, maybe you like it at home. But you'd be like, why aren't I allowed to? I've never broken any laws. It's the restriction that offends me. So yeah, when I'm allowed to travel, I will leave Romania temporarily, but I will come back because I live here. So I'm fighting for my right to do what I should always have been able to do for the last 2 years, but I've been stopped. I've never broken the law in my life. I don't deserve to have been arrested for 566 days, which is this morning. What do you think it will be?
Okay. So, totally understand where they're coming from, by the way. Anytime you're not allowed to do something, what's the one thing you want to do?
That one.
That one thing.
Yeah.
Ladies, you know about all that. So I empathize with them. I totally understand what's going on. That Patrick Bet David basically said, listen, these guys are master trolls. They know how to poke and poke and poke and poke and poke. I think they poked the wrong bear. They reversed the decision. The Tates know what they're doing. I'm not here to give them advice. At the same time, have you heard any new stories come out? Has anything happened with the court legal system? It seems to me things are trending in the right direction then because they haven't found them guilty of anything other than poking the bear too much. You guys let me know. Tates, guilty, innocent, let them free, let them travel, let them roam to a city near you. You let me know. Are you coming to the vault? Oh, what's the vault? You know about the vault? The vault is the ultimate event for entrepreneurs to level up their game and learn from the best in the game. Last year, we had Tom Brady and Mike Tyson, and I said to our CEO, Patrick Bet David, I said, how are we going to top that? He said, how we're going to top that? How about The Rock? So this year, Patrick Bet David went out and got Dwayne The Rock Johnson. So he's going to be there along with PBD, the Biz Doc, and me. Yeah, if you want to join us at the Vault Conference, check out thevaultconference.com. It's going down in West Palm Beach, September 4th through 7th. If you want to make more money, improve your business, and expand your network, you have to be at the Vault. We'll see you there. Oh, you like that? Well, if you want to see more of that, check out this clip right here. And if you want even more, check out this clip right here, only on the SOSCAST.